Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to get an activation code for Duo Mobile when it's required during a Facebook login. Let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and make sure Duo Mobile is installed. Now open Safari or any browser on your iPhone and go to Facebook. Sign in using a Facebook email and password. After signing in, Facebook may ask you to complete an extra security step. If your account is connected to Duo, you will see a message asking you to set up Duo Mobile or enter an activation code. At this point, Facebook will usually provide the activation code in one of these ways: an activation link, a QR code, or instructions sent by email or text. If you see an activation link, simply tap it on your iPhone. This will automatically open the Duo Mobile app and start the setup. If you see QR code, don't worry, go back to Duo Mobile, tap on use a QR code. Your camera will open. Point your camera at the QR code shown on the Facebook screen. Make sure the code fits inside the box. Once it scans, Duo Mobile will automatically connect your Facebook account. This only takes a few seconds. If Facebook tells you to check your email or text message, open the message and tap the activation link provided. After the activation is complete, you will see your account added inside the Duo Mobile app. And that's it. That's how to get and use activation code for Duo Mobile on Facebook. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.